All right. Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my video submission for the SlotMachine UML. So in this assignment, we were given a program or a class, I should say, of slot machine, and we were tasked with designing the UML document, which you could see here. And the minus signs represent anything that's a private um, access modifier, and the plus sign represents public access modifiers. And what else here? So yeah, pretty much anything with the parentheses is a method or a function. And then all of our variables, we only have three. One's going to be array of type int for reals. We're going to have an integer for the number of symbols. And then we'll have an integer for the spin count, how many times the user spins. And it was based off of um, that's the main. So here's the header file that we were given. So it looks very, very similar. See if I can do these side by side without, there we go. There we go. Go. So as you can see, I pretty much just took everything over here and all the private things are right here and all the public things are separated by this dotted line. And the next thing we were tasked with doing was creating a basic flowchart. So I use this cool little software called code2flow.com. Here it is here. And it's pretty handy little software or app.code2flow.com. And you can pretty much put your source file in here and, do a little bit of editing and it gives you a pretty seamless little flowchart. So this is going to instantiate a new slot machine called Lady Luck. We're then going to call the pull lever method, which is going to activate the business logic of the program, which was given to us. Pull lever is probably right here. And then we're going to go ahead and display what goes on. So it's going to output the code. And then it's going to ask the user, hey, do you want to pull it again? If it's false, then um, this is supposed to say, sorry, this is supposed to say, while Lady Luck is a winner. Okay, so if it isn't a winner, that makes sense. Sorry, I was a little late. So if they're not a winner, we're gonna pull it again until they are a winner. Once they're a winner, we're gonna kick out of the while loop, and then we'll display, you won, Lady Luck. Uh, you win in Lady Luck, and it counts and it spits out the number of spins. So this was a kind of a short and sweet assignment, not too much intense coding. It was really just applying UML principles that we've covered in class, designing a flowchart, and then providing a screencast, which I will upload and put the link here. So thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.